Today, we're going to demonstrate how to retrofit a 2x4 fluorescent troffer for use with MaxLite's Type-C LED tubes and a cMax magnetic microwave sensor node. As always, the first step is to disconnect the power by turning off the circuit breaker or by removing the appropriate fuse at the fuse box. We'll start off by opening the fixture's lens and removing the existing lamps. After that, we can remove the fixture's ballast chamber cover. From here, we'll begin removing the two existing fluorescent ballasts so that we can prepare the troffer for the installation of our controls-ready LED driver. Next, we'll begin wiring the driver to the sockets in accordance with the instruction manual. Connect the yellow, gray, and purple wires from the sensor to the yellow, gray, and purple wires on the driver. Be sure to tuck all the wiring inside the driver chamber while leaving enough of the sensor wires to reach the desired location. Once done, find the best position for the magnetic sensor to be attached. It's important to make sure the lamps and fixture parts aren't blocking its ability to respond. Finally, we can begin reassembling and installing the LED Type-C T8 tubes. It's a good idea to test the fixture and make sure it lights up before closing up the lens. After confirming the new tubes light up, we'll close it all up and begin using the cMax remote control to test the sensor's functionality. This is most easily accomplished by pressing the test button. The fixture will flash twice to confirm it has received the command before dimming and eventually turning off. Waving at the light will now be detected by the motion sensor and cause the fixture to illuminate. For more information, please visit MaxLite's cMax website. Thanks for watching.